In this video, we'll be creating Kubernetes secrets and then use them inside the pods. Now we can create secrets using the YAML file like this one. So it's API version v1 and kind is secret. And in the data section, we provide the data that we want to have as secrets. So these are the base 64 encoded form. You can use any tool to do that. So, or we can simply use echo hyphen n admin then a base 64. So this is the same as this. So basically username is admin over here and password is passcode, and I can just verify that passcode. So once this is done, you put that inside a YAML file and then you create using kubectl create hyphen f secret and kubectl get secrets. So demo secret is there and the data is 2. Now in order to use the secret inside the pod, we mount it as a volume. So in this particular case, it's a simple Nginx pod where we have the volume as vol secret, and we have given the secret and the secret name demo that we just created. So, and inside the container, it's simple volume mount and the name of the volume, and then the mount path inside the pod. So let's create the pod as well. And the pod is created. kubectl get pods. It's running. Now we'll exec into the pod. kubectl exec hyphen it, the pod name. And let's copy the mount path as well. So we'll go into this directory. We'll do ls. We see username and password already here. Now, if I cat, username should be admin and password should be passcode. So this is how we have mounted the secrets inside the pod, and then here we can have a code that can use this. Another way of creating the secret is using the imperative way. So we can create a secret like kubectl create secret generic. We give the type of the secret that we want to create, then the name, and from literal in this case, which is admin user key as a key, and the value will be admin. So the secret admin is created. Now we'll be using two secrets for the next particular demo. So let me create the dev user as well, and dev. So both the secrets are created. Just to verify them. Yes, they are. And now we'll be using the secrets inside the pod as environment variables. So let's see how to use this. So same. So we have a busybox container, and we just run a simple command env, which will list down all the environment variables from that particular pod. And so this particular container, what we are doing is we are using env, and in env we are giving this particular environment variable, and the value is from the secret key reference. So it's a secret key ref with the name and the key. So the name is admin of the secret, and the key is admin user, and similarly for the dev one. So let's create this pod. kubectl create hyphen f pod. Pod is created and it's running. It's completed. So kubectl logs of secret env. So you can see admin user, admin, and dev user as dev. Both the secrets have successfully mounted as an environment variable inside the pod, which can again be used by the code or the application which is running. So this is how the secrets can be created and used inside the pod. Thank you for watching. That's it for this lecture.